After waiting for more than 4 months, here we have the Open Beta 6 for the OnePlus Nord, which shares exactly the same changelog of stable 11.1.5.5 update. So let's have a look at the changes which we get to see between the Open Beta 6 and OxygenOS 11.1.5.5 update. Without wasting any more further time, let's get started.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.
First on our list, how to update your OnePlus Nord to Open Beta 6. The simple answer for those who are on the Open Beta program, just check your system updater from settings. And for those who are on the stable,
Wait a minute.
why do you want to update? There is no need to update to Open Beta as you have OxygenOS 11.1.5.5, which is exactly the same update, and that too being some sort of more stable compared to beta build. This update is for Open Beta 5 users so that they won't leave Open Beta program and roll back to stable OxygenOS 11.1.5.5. I hope the point is clear. But still, if you want to update, then follow my steps. Download and install Oxygen Updater app from the Play Store. Go to the settings of the application and enable advanced mode. Also, choose the update method to Open Beta, full if you are on the stable version or the bootloader is unlocked, else choose incremental and then hit on download button. Once the file is downloaded, go to the system updater from the settings of your phone, click that gear option and then hit local update and then select the downloaded file and press on install. And then just wait for a couple of minutes for the phone to install the update and then hit on reboot. Now, to have the Bitmoji avatar on your AOD, just install the Bitmoji application from Play Store and then set it up. Then later head over to the customizations from the settings of your phone, select Bitmoji in clock and ambient display and then press on OK. That's all. From the next time you raise your phone, you will get to see your Bitmoji. But do note that this feature consumes more battery compared to others. And talking about the changelog, we get the 1 month old security patch update, that is October security patch update. And talking about the performance, on Geekbench the phone scores similar to the stable version and it scores 588 in single core and 1717 in multi-core. Camera applications remains the same as it was in the stable version, that is 11.1.5.5. And we don't have much information to talk about battery as of now. The only difference between stable and Open Beta 6 is that you don't have the monitor data option in Open Beta 6, which we had in the stable version. It's like Open Beta update was pushed to stable users and stable update is being pushed to Open Beta users. Though actually it didn't happen, but it looks like as it has. I didn't find any major bugs in this version, but if you look at the stable version, we had a problem with the FPS meter where the FPS counter was showing 0 all the time, but here we don't have that problem because we don't have the FPS meter at all. And the update file size is also the same for both Open Beta and stable. OnePlus gave this update for Open Beta 5 users because they don't want the users to roll back to stable 11.1.5.5 update for the sake of Bitmoji. And this is the ultimate reason. And still, FPS meter didn't make its way for Open Beta and isn't working fine in stable version. We can expect an update coming soon for both the beta and stable version. We have the dedicated Telegram group for the OnePlus Nord users. You can join from the link in the description box below and get the latest updates and chat with your community members. There are more than 350 members on our community, so what are you waiting for? Join now. Also, subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to get notified when the videos related to OnePlus Nord will get premiered on our channel. And if you are watching till here, then don't forget to drop a like. We aim 50 likes for this video. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. I'm Diwakar signing off and I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.